I'm going to show you how you can remove a stuck bolt using a sacrificial nut and a welder. The first thing you're going to do is spray the area down with a rust penetrant or a lubricant. So we're going to spray the top and get underneath and spray the bottom. Now that we've done that, what we'll go ahead and do is we will put our little nut on there, and now we're going to weld the nut onto the bolt. I'm going to try to put as much heat as possible in there, because the more heat, the easier things are going to come out. Now while everything's hot, I'll go ahead and turn this bolt out.